say, your pitney stop eat, stop wear clothes. Because more ask these things, I'm only can ask you on the net. Because I don't want to have a private conversation with you, because you're not going to tell a lie for me. So through your bill house, you're pitney them stop eat, stop wear clothes. Them are going to stop eat, stop wear clothes, and stop go to school. Through your bill house. Me I build me house. From about no time my mother pussy. I don't remember when it was. Me never build for have masters, degrees, and distinction. Sometimes the people that will come to our platform come give you them. Sometimes the people that come to our platform come give you them have masters, degrees, and distinction. And when them give you, no call them enablers. The people them sit through the nonsense when I say and the lies. Jakes, if you want it, you say you build house. They say you build house. Because you want to say you have ambition more than me and me a cruff. I don't wait, the picture where you painting, you build house, Jakes, you're there from September. If your house was your main priority and your kids, you'd have at least done one room for your Christmas. You only carrying up that building to beg. You want them to say, oh, he's building a house. You want to carry the building for beg. You want to use the opportunity for the building to beg. Like how you use the kids them opportunity to beg. Nobody here is stupid, I'm not talking the girl that wanna like me, but nobody here is stupid. If you build a 3-room or a 2-room, listen to me and tell me where I'm going wrong, because the whole way I saw big people. And me have my gifters, and supporters, tappers, whatever you. Me have my people, them can sit down and listen to what me I say. Me I build a house, 2-bedroom, bathroom and kitchen, for me and me youth them. Room the building in one day. You're not rich. You start out, you finish, you done one room first. You move on to the next. You should have at least, your rank every day, should at least sit and say, all right then, for my Christmas, I want to be in it. So you make it me a main priority. When you come by your build house, like you want to trick somebody or so. You're building a house, yes, but you're not interested to finish it. Me, I don't want one room. Slap the top, don't want one room. Render it off, tile it out, get in my current, paint it. Put in my bed, put in a TV, put in a dresser. Fix it up, my door and my window, my bathroom, for my Christmas. January now, I move to the next room. January now, I move to the next room. When that done, when the next year come and done, my party call it finish. So, how we are trick? I know you from me at 20, I know me at 32. Jakes, me there for 12 years. I know you donkey and cruff and careless. When you can trick the people on the net, you can't trick me. I know you see, I know me you'll get result over here, come a class of dog and I say mind your kids. You can't trick nobody else. So my next question to you is the girl where the people must stay with you want money to buy food. Put the money in her hand. He said we did a quote for maintenance. You could have tell the judge say you build house 150 million things and you have to mind your kids. I don't know who you see a trick. You exploit the kids a gift and you exploit the house where you build for money. That should have been your main priority. Should have done already. Remember Sunday the girls them come and say spare fuck you by the girls them were introduced to the TikTok come and bust it. Say spare fuck you by. You want to have more than one woman. It's one woman. More than one woman have it. I see you one the other night and I always say with men, if you have more than one woman, you have to pay there for your company. Because remember you're not cute. But anyway, we're not going to that. You understand? If you're interested to build your house, one room already would have done for the Christmas. And you live in it. You live in it. So, yellow can come by you with the kids, Put them in a pajama, you put one Christmas tree in the room, and you put 2 presents underneath it and pull it for your life. Because your is right there. When you can trick off of social media, you can't trick nobody else. So, how many know you do this in the net? You know you do this in the net. Oh, me I build my house, me I build my house, me I build my house, I build my house, I build my house, I build my house. Rome me building a one day. He said me to start build a house from he said me Rosealee to start build a house from September. Me that ensure say 1 room finish in December. And also when December come, me in a my house. You want collect or fight, delay and collect. So with that house there, because remember so the kids them coming on. Remember so the kids them coming on, so you can't use them name now, you know. So yeah, delay, collect, delay, collect. Yeah, delay and a collect. I 1 million a kind of go the other day. If you're interested, 1 room would have done, and you kind of furniture today. Cuff boy, don't bring your mouth to me. Me know exactly what you do. Me don't know who you trick. You can't trick me. We have how people build house, know it go. My father and my relative and me having a country. Because me know about house building. Me not so stupid, me know about house building. It's when you build a house, if you build more than, especially if you build more than 1 room, say you build one 3-bedroom house. I ain't live no way. Your main priority is to get 1 room done, 1 room finish to live in. Then you move on to the next. If you go stress yourself to do all things at once, it now go complete. You finish 1 room, you finish 1 room and your bathroom, and you say, all right then, I move on to the next. Move on to the next room. Moving at the hallway, move to the veranda, then everything done. You now build 1 12-story you're gonna carry rich man, we have build complex. You do it at 1 at a time, stage by stages. We are trick you, so. You can't trick nobody else, so. When you show that this man and a car man, I'm gonna look at you. Because I know it just start to exploit now for feel like your thing's a gift. You know for user, so. Master manipulator. And get down in a people head. And in them skin. You know for do that so well. Because last time I see her and she grumble, but I don't want she say something to me. Because when you depend TikTok and me a class, you don't want. So when the camera lock off, you want to bring your mouth to me. Me don't want you bring your mouth to me. Make we get the party started. Come on, want the party dance. More want the dance if you keep. Me I wait for that dance to keep. Me I wait for that dance to keep if you bring your mouth to me. A St. Elizabeth me come from. A St. Elizabeth me come from. And me have sense in a life. If me I build 1 2-bedroom house, me I done 1 room and going night first. Till me can start to the rest of the month for build the next one. Rome not building a 1 day. If you're interested to live in a it for Christmas, do that done. A mindset do this. Mindset. Like if you're at school, I have a mindset so you learn. And if you have a mindset so you don't give 2 fuck, you don't give 2 fuck. Mindset do this. If Jackson have a mindset for done 1 room for Christmas, they in that it. All in birthday, them still over the gully. Girl come in, you carry girl what they over the gully, you carry over 1 board place. Not Thailand. She want to piss her road. You're not a mindset. Your vision is to be a cruff. The only thing that you buy your mind is to buy one backers. You must have sex addict, you know? Yeah. Ask him if he fuck 5 times for the week, him can't tell a yeah. Ask him if the workman going on him yard 5 times for work, him can't tell you. Ask him if him grind 5 times for the week, him can't say yeah. Ask him if the workman going on him yard 5 times, him can't tell you. For the week, him can't tell you. Merry Christmas to you, baby. When I come on social media, you don't call me name. Stop using them name for beg. Nobody give a 2 fuck about the house that you're building. Mind your youth, that me say. Mind your youth. Like how you can buy girl Brazilian. Like how you can buy girl Brazilian here if you get your hood suck. Mind your youth. They're not in my care and my cousin. They're not in my care and my cousin that are yours. And the person that is keeping them, she not supposed to shot or nothing because the toe will beg so every day. That me a talk. But me the busy though, so you want to build, sir? We are straight from the point. Why are you straying from? I don't care about the house that you want to build. I know you're a cruff. I know exactly what you do. If you did seriously live in it already, because you rank every day, we're not going to go down on that. Because we're not talking about that. We are talking about minding the youth. So if me give the girl 30,000, you can get 32. You work yes so. If me buy food, you can buy snacks and juice. If me buy food, you can buy food too. If me pay for snacks and juice, you can buy snacks and juice too. Like you can give one girl 130 suck you with you bend them over and suck them pussy. That we are talking about. I want you to make your kids and be a main priority. I want you to make your kids and be a main priority as all your company internet can make it seems to be. Cause one time when I cuss you and angle and class you like dog, you run go do. Remember a long time I did with the jigs? I want to cuss you say now go blood clot cook, you see you jump from over the bar go cook. I want to cause you know wash them clothes, you see you get. I go wash them tomorrow morning. You don't care. You don't care careless. So I don't know. We are trying to trick on the internet, you know, but I know you're not tricking me. I did with you. Long enough. I know what is your main interest. You have an ego system. You always want to size up with me. I always want to look at one up. And I'm the only queen in the blood clot deck, ship good or not. GX me Rosealee the only queen in the deck, shape good or not. There's no sizing up to this, no level of the on this. I know you still like for my name. So you don't, I know you're not big at image for yourself. Because the people them know you as Rosealee, baby father, and when the kids them gonna enter the chat. So you not no cockroach girl when you bring across the board can't step to me in no time. I will always be the queen of the deck for you. I think when me you always gonna walk in my shadow. I don't know where you come here and lava your mouth for. I don't want to get down on the nasty things that you do with your mouth, you know. Let's just leave that. Because we're not here to talk about bedroom story. We're here to talk about you minding your kids. That we are talking about. That we are talking about. You minding your kids. Mind your youth. That we are talking about. Mind your youth. I'm not supposed to cuss you. I'm not supposed to class. I'm not supposed to angle you. Mind your youth. Yeah. And the bitch will take up, make sure that, but you know, fuck serious girl still, so. I would even say nothing. You know, fuck serious girl. I be yourself, fuck you fuck. So them not gonna tell you for mind your youth either. Mind your youth. The other day, I run the road and trying to say, Mommy, I want money to buy something. I hear me to her, you know. Hear me to her, you know. Go ask your father. I mean, I text it to you. A little girl said to me, say, I come to you, I have to go ask my father. I want to go to my father. I have to come ask you. I can't bother. So I say, oh, pocket watching a go on. Pocket watching a go on because kill all in a feel mine is your mother have more money more than me. So I can't lay it back. You know mind the youth? You know mind the kids them? It's fuck you by with your own and suck. Last night that you one of the stinking bug them around you. Make you want a whole argument with me, but they want your whole argument with me. Cause I notice when they say a stinking bug them, you know, one argument with me, cause them get like a stinking bug. They look a green bug them, you don't even want to step on them, cause you know, and them stink up where you're there. And them the girl hey you fuck, you don't fuck serious girl. You don't fuck serious girl. You don't fuck serious girl. It's be a stinking bug you fuck. You carry them in the night and let them out as early as the man. You gone back what? You resume right back as your blood clot were. Cause more than one you have. It's that to use your money and buy. That's your main imperative. Cause you have to fuck every night, but you don't must sleep no way. You have to fuck every night, but you don't must sleep no way. The people in on the net, you with the stinking people on the net, you know. Jakes, but come on to call them enablers, cause enablers are good something. The stinking girl them were in your corner. The dirty gift of them were in your corner. Wanna see what you do. If I'm in a court with the government for the kids, why you keep and tell yourself that you not supposed to be there? Him not for them because of she and him and the mother they are court. Why? You're going there to represent your kids. You're not gonna represent me. So if me not get them can go to you. That's why you feel there. So cool, them never did tell you that. And some know them are thinking bug. Because if a group up and tell them pure lie, if a group up and tell Nicole, if a group up and tell them pure lie for them class me or willing, them should at least tell her that. Then them no mean no good. That's how I know them are thinking bug, careless people. All rat mouth sassy. Sassy should I tell Jake say, Jake go and represent your kids. So if the mom don't get them, you can get them. Because you got their courthouse. Because she have you too, you know. That's how the system work, Papa. But they don't care about you. They only want you to come on the internet to make me look bad. Ask anybody. Go and ask alive that the court work. Go and ask anybody it's not how this court work. You go there to represent your kids. So if I don't get them, you can automatically get them because you're a parent as well. Yeah. It's more easier. You never know, Jakes? Oh no, you're not gonna know. By them time there, your mind the pan for put your mouth on that something. For them come right by your throat, for them come right near your throat back. I don't know what you guys think. If those kids was that man main imperative, he wouldn't miss a session. When something is your main imperative, if you have a car and your car is your main imperative, if you want 4 tire, you buy it. If you're gonna beg the money, trust the money, you're gonna look it for buy it. If you can't want wash, you go wash a car. If you can't want service, you go service a blood clot car. If you can't want gas, you go gas a car. When things are your main priority, you work towards them with action as quick as possible. So you know miss a court date because what the system watch everything. You don't visit the kids. You don't trust if you do a meeting. You don't trust if you do a therapy. You miss all court date. You're missing. That means that you was a walking shadow. You don't care. So the big man friend when you're corner, like a thinking sassy and all, they was a dead bug them. Should I tell her that? Because they are grown. Jakes, if I any blood clotting, you know, and you want back your youth, them try and you say every court session, no make none miss you. Say if that big fat so a thinking shit bag girl don't get by the kids them, you have to get them because you're a parent too. You keep on a tell yourself, so I mean, you're not court with them, you can't get them, but not no go so. Once you're in the law, it's the law. And nobody can fight the law. Nobody can fight the law. Ask anybody when the same process. The law is the law. Nobody can fight the law. If someone forgot a court and miss the court, they get bench warrant. If you're there at courthouse and somebody come to represent as a family member, you quick to get bail. You know why? Because every court case, your mama come. We can't grant him bail for him go on. Mother, do you have anywhere can keep Mr. Jones till the sentencing? Yes, ma'am, can go and stay him auntie. He's not about to be seen in the community because him have family we are going to court. Go represent him. So just to say him have people who care. You don't care, Jake, so you can't get by the kids them. You worse. Jake's you in a worse position more than me because you don't care. They will never be granted to you. You're absent. Stop coming on the net and trick the net. People have sense, no, you are absent, you can never get them back. You could never get them back. Never. Because you in a worse position more than me. Because you're absent. You don't know shit. Because you're tired tech. You're tired tech, I do one up. Go look at girl for me feel like, how you know you do? Walk and fuck all. You fuck Ali, you fuck Kiki. You fuck Ali, you fuck Kiki. You got a friend, go fuck one next girl. You can't want a roach come here. You look like you still a fuck my mother. Me say my sister itch up on you. And all of them, the time you take a walk, fuck feet bun me. You gonna look for your main prerogative. Cause you're fuck them way you do can't bun me. It only show you up out that you've been doing it a long time. I know you don't have to hide. I'm done with a long time from here. I saw when me Rosealee done with a man from here, it now go pretty. Hush. Because I'm done with the family so. So my physical body, they just make me feel weird. I just I'm done with people from first, you know. Oh. So when I walk around and look for them and all let me back, you know, to show you say, you've been a do one bag a long time. And since me I left, you don't need to hide. It only shows say you've been have them long time and you don't need to fucking hide. That's what it's proof. You're not about me. What do you hear? Yes! No the kids them not come no match in pajama. You're sick. How can I rejoice that my kids are not here because the mom want to give them a Christmas? You're sick and pathetic. You only feel like you don't know what you think you do. Sure. I don't know what you think you do. I want to make him know. Stop walking and look one up. Kayla! No. Me need him to know. And me need him to know. I want him to know. And more when somebody hear them can't tell him. Pastor told them.
Which part?
See, they told like this, huh? Like the door. No, for true, I need him for know. I need when I'm chink them, come and I call them enablers. When I'm chink them, tell him. Stop walk and look one up. Our revenge plan for me feel away. Cause the only time me I go feel away, Jakes, are when me I put my money to all my kids and you're not doing it. That's the only thing that pisses me off the most. When me the 100 me I pull for them, you don't even want to pull 20. And that alone get my brain some type of way. Not the pussy way you go fuck or suck. Because no girl we take can never be on my level. Period. I'll even go for Kim Kardashian. Or one of them Beyonce girl. None of them can never be on my level. None. None. None of them. I want you to look like Negan. Me I tell you it, you know. Come here, I tell you, because you like, you know, feel like no girl we go pick up can never be on my motherfucking level. None. None. No girl we you draw for. She could have flat belly. She could have flat belly, cock up body, broad hip, and her breast them stiff soldier cut eye. She can never be on my level. Because shape no have nothing to do with level. No girl where you pick can never be on my level. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Come see you walk a search, you come on internet with Kiki. You come on this, you just a walk a pick. None of them can be on my level, Papa. None of them can never be on my level. None. No of them cannot be on my level. I don't see them as a cockroach. A bug. None. Come on, you youth them. Yeah. So later on when them call you and go buy clothes, you can come show the media and cuss me when I have no problem. At least I buy them. Me see the result. Go and mind your kids. Them run at the girl yard. Them run at the girl yard. You rank every day you beg. You can't squeeze her 115,000 a month and say, well, this galley. And I pay her to keep your kids. She do a whole lot for we. Money can't buy greatness. But at the end of the day, to show how much you appreciate her, you say, well, this mama put in your pocket. Do what you want, though. You not pay to keep her, but you can get a thing. Well, this mama buy something. Cause the root them the yard and them you do greatness. How am I talk me that care who I'm back, you know? Cause me not care. Cause when me talk, me know when me stand for nothing this. And I pay you, put her money in her pocket and say, go buy something. Like how you can sit down and buy a bag of NSC. Like how you can give a girl one money for suck your wood. And like how you can give a girl money for put her tongue in her body hole. You can give the girl money to have a youth them. But they are not your main priority. I fuck your problem. Not if your house where you build on your main priority. Because your house where you build was a main priority. You done one room for Christmas and make sure it's entrance at Christmas. See the people me done one room for Christmas. Or Christmas me I sleep good. You would be tomorrow Christmas you go over the gully. When you know what your problem? Social media start finding you out. The girl them start look out from Sunday, pay fuck and suck your walk and buy. They like a main course meal with knife and fork. Is that your walk and blood clot, but it's a cruff. You have certified ticket in a cruff. A master manipulator like you can't play a mind game. Yeah, you what I'm say? Minnie say that are the dirty one where they look just so fuck her but she married. Minnie say I regular him talk about sassy. I tell him something, I go back and tell Sassy, so Jake said, look at mama man and that style. So you know what him do? He mix up together in a girls them, and when them start to trace him, yeah? Top up the screen. You know them ugly blood clot mongrel man there. Top up the screen like you don't know where you're gonna. You fix the plan. Entire year them a quarrel I mix up. One store to them like some gal. Him know exactly where I keep. You trick everybody on social media, you can't trick me. Go mind your youth them. Yeah, give money. If me give the girl 20,000, you put 20 on it or 15. You get money for yourself. I say all that. Yeah, man. We are walk a look farther the year moment. A pure pussy you buy with your own. Pure fuck. You keep a party for bar. Track, tell me where I go wrong. I'm going to explain the sequence now. Tell me where I go wrong. A bar birthday, you keep a party. Me order some things. I don't know. I don't know all the order names. I don't know. I don't know. But like it get mixed up. I order some things. I order some things. I'm gonna order some things I don't know or it get blood clot mixed up. Anyway, you dip on the road. Me pay for the decor. Me pay for the decor for the little boy birthday. I'ma buy the game. For the little boy birthday. What away me bake, the whole way a bigger. I said to you, say, buy some clothes to look about because at the end of the day, I don't know how I don't get the clothes. You say I spend $70,000. You know I give back Jake $60,000? I $70,000 I spend, I know I'm broke. You know, so I count out 50. I don't know if I him and one of them, I him and one of the thinking. I see when I call it for thinking girl. And I count out 50,000 and give I say all this. Because you say you're broke. Him spend $70,000 buy clothes, keep it them, and I give him back $50,000. Because I said to him that buy the clothes and I will give back the money. And him say I 7,000 I give him back 50. And the reason why I give him back I just show us all them stay. Because if I your youth you spend 7,000, you shouldn't want back nothing from the mama. I give back 50,000 the same night. Jakes buy one case of chubby for the party. One case of chubby. Me do the decor. I'm gonna give him cousin 8,000 for the trampoline. I would have when I'm supporting them buy the two little small cake. Him cook some food. Him buy one bag of cheat. Him buy one bag of cheat chip. The night now me the day I saw rank. I'm gonna go around the road in bed and organize. Remember you know? They put them in the trampoline and jump up and down. Things are share out. One case of trouble, no water. None of one case of trouble can share the party. I go buy one next case of juice and one next case of water. Never want to get involved from the perk in the first, you know. I pick the party. I go for your girl. You wait until listen, you know. You wait until you done do the youth. Party done. The kids them forgot them bed. You keep your son party done. And later when a big people session, you go vibe to go for your roach. You know what Jake's doing in the middle of the party? Jake's missing. So I say what Jake's there. Me not chatting on. Me never tidy. But the day I sang go round the road. Just see what I keep. Cause me never want to get too involved. I don't spend the money me never want to get too involved cause me know the problem calling mama around them and I like them come remember them class me. Him better have on them clothes. You know, ensure to the little boy, put on them shoes, changing our different you know, like when we did there for Shanta party, make sure that people come there, make sure that the food share, make sure that them in clothes change, make sure that picture take, make sure that things organize. You're a trick, this you know. I'm up on the old skirt to watch. Because I don't want to get involved, you know. But just want up on the old skirt to watch. You're gone. All 10:30 the day that you're there at the party. I ring him phone. I say, how are you there? I'm there on the ride. I'm there on the ride after me forward. Hear the wicked girl. Hear the wicked girl to me. I want girl him gone fine. I know say I come with the girl before she land there. That's what I know say no pussy wall. Nobody with me, no pussy wall, nobody at all in the world. When me go around, you not trick me, me know everything. So said so, don't I'm see with the girl. But that partner, calm. So hear my mind to me, no? It's like girl him gone for man. Watch this. The brother call him. Yo, bro, oh, you know, he's your son. Him brother will come from Canada, call him. Yo, bro, how is your son? You're not at the party. Where are you? The party started. Where are you? But me a forward. Me a forward. Girl him gone for, you know. Come and look one up. When I look, they cater upon the table. I used to keep partying. That's how you supposed to. I used to keep parties. So they organize this and was supposed to be about you. Me can't do it yesterday, but you say you keep parties. So most of the things that was supposed to be on you. They cater upon the table. No drinks nor share. No food nor share. The party stunted. Happy birthday for sing. Can go for like party. The boy just stunk ya. Call him run go for. One look at slim thinking one of a batty man. Face tough like life. Like she come and one and chatting about me about shit. But me I'll give you an episode. One look at thinking blood clot one of a one man. See when him come with her. Me they run along enough, you know. 10 o'clock I go, 10:30 I go in 11 o'clock bell. No happy birthday, no sing. No nothing. The kid up on the table, no nothing. No candle light, no nothing. Chicks left him pin the party for go run the one girl for go carry her come for pose with her for go suck out her hole. It trigger me off. Come here and say, it's your son's birthday. It's his day. Nobody care if you want to go and fuck somebody. That's your problem. Nobody care about that. Ensure say your youth, cake come, the number 8 going at the cake, it light, them sing happy birthday around him feel good. It's his moment. Why you have to ruin the little boy moment? Because you want to post for the moment so you have girl. I know you fuck roaches. I know it's pure cockroach you fuck. Why you want? And look boy moment. Then the girl you carry don't even walk with a fucking present. What is wrong with you people? Me can I invite my man to my son party and him walk empty-handed? She don't make no sense. Jake's staying at the party, ensure that the party go good. Your bitch where you call, she come meet you at the party and help you share out the food, share out the cheat tricks, share out the things that make you look and say, boy, at least the girl come and I help around me go on. Come in a want you. But you see that my eyesight, they must grow good government or not. Yeah. I can't tell you, I'm say you know. Them might not be in my custody, but say that my eyesight, they must grow good. So the girl would come. So the girl would come. And I help show out food and I help show out ice cream. And I help round with a walkway. Come in and want you for fuck. Mm-hmm. If the girl would come and help. You come and you help round. Like you come with I am man, you go, I am man, pit the birthday, I am man, pit the birthday, I am man, pit the birthday, you come with one present for little boy. You might eat tear roll buy one present can come. Jake, what size barber wear? You know, some wear number 4. I'm gonna buy him one nice little Jordan or one nice little blood clot kickers or something. Boxed up and wrap it. Now come with a present in your hand. A shoes can be a present. A shirt. A t-shirt. A pants. Something. The look stinking suck good girl can the girl Jake take a sucky mode. The freak girl when come with, walk with her empty handed for pose. So Barbara birthday wasn't about Barbara, it was about a one up for your mama. You're missing. The girl come, she help her to share out the food. She give out the juice. The trampoline there, the one on one activity I keep putting them there. You play a ring game. The cake I cut, she sit down and cut the cake them piece and file it and give away to the kids. When me a talk on social media, want nobody tell me nothing. I got alone can chat to me. Come know where me stand for when they come out to my youth them. I said me the color man, me I keep on part of me color man. Me for come with something. I come do something. Me not no boy for pose. My kids them are my main imperative. Don't fuck up. Whether them with me or not. Government can only fight me for focus and me birth them. Them are my main imperative. If the girl will come and do something, chat me that walkway. Cause me a woman. I'ma say she check for them a walkway. Cause when a girl can fuck a boy and check for him youth, them have to walkway. I'm a fool in a life. When a boy a fuck a girl and the girl check for the youth, them have to walkway. When me a war for? You hear that? You check for the youth them. You check for the man and him youth them. So I walk away. And leave them make on be. And then if you fight over like I don't want the man. Me don't want Jakes. But the condition of the store piss me off. You're missing with the fucking girl. The cake for share out, the food for shirt, and then look at boy birthday, you're gone. One girl come back when everything done and over. For so long and drink rum and poop, 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 poop. And that piss me off from the get-go. Come and say you be already because you are keep it, not me. Ensure say everything go good. They go for your chickmunk. When I go around the road now. You ask something to me say hello? It trigger me off. It trigger me off. At 6.6K or something. I don't know one of the things where the jealousy is lie. I could never run back. I could never run down a man who beat me. Come on, no. I'm tell you the history. I couldn't want to come and beat up my dirty blood clad. At the best couple of months well with Aki without Jakes. Aki never licked me yet. Jakes beat out my blood clot. Scar. I buck Jakes but me as so. A knife Jakes use and cut me as so. A last Jakes use and chop me as so. Jakes beat out my blood clot day in and day out. Me was literally a suffocate. Me did literally a suffocate. I was tired of that life so much. When me say my fuck Alia, I never that my problem. My problem, anytime me say my fuck Alia, you come see me a ball on the 19K crowd draw. Me a bar because me in a hostage, me had a bandage. The man do me very bad. Very, 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 very bad. I mean very, 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 very bad. I mean like literally beat me. Fling me down the wall. Jump up on the bed and grab me by my throat and have me in there strangle me. Assembly operate for me. Sometimes when Jakes done beat me, and hold my neck and squeeze it. I lock out my breath and then let me go for catch back breath. My neck see me can't turn my neck so a tiger about my fair rub my neck so. So I don't know who think that I want to go back in that. You're crazy. I don't know who think that Drake's is a Bella of Rose, you know. I don't miss that. I'm gonna tell you about Drake's. You see when Jake and Jake's in a serious, you see when you and Drake's in a serious relationship and tell himself I'm serious, him search everything. Him want to know your passcode, where they, how far you reach, how much money you spend and all of that. And say if you meet up with a man, you say if Jake's meet up with a man and Jake's a fuck you and him a get serious with you, you have to tell him how much time your man fuck, how long you fuck for, if you suck him out and how you feel. Him like them the prep talk there. As we meet that why you sell pussy, if you sell 50 pussy for the night, you have to know how much you collect, you have to know how much you get, if the wood big, if you suck the wood, and how it make you feel. So I don't know what you guys think about that, man. Him will allow you to do anything, because I don't know what I do. But at the end of the blood clot, you ever come give my explanation. You go sell fuck tonight. Like I like that man there. Paper talk, master manipulator mind. Yeah. So I don't know what you guys think about me. You are nope. I was in a trap. I was in a trap world. And that's why when someone wanna type on social media say, Aki mash up my relationship, Aki no mash up blood clot shit. Him no mash up nothing. Cause me never in a no relationship. The man beat me come and the man beat me go. Someone want to ask you, 6.6K or so. Which woman you gonna run for my great man? Wait, but Bugu. No, because the whole I wanna talk, from the other day. If I'm September, I wanna talk, and the year that I wanna finish up the year with all of these story. Which man run for my great woman? Your man treat you nice, take care of you, love you. Who I run from that? Nobody. So I think I'm stupid. All of these things is resentment. Hatred. Come hatred's like poison. I'm ungrateful him as a shit house. Yeah. So I don't know, like, I forgot. Remember one time when Jakes trapped me, not the time when Jakes trapped me. Not one time, but at the time when Jakes trapped me. The lady where I stitched my answer to me say, Miss Dix is old cut there. And I said to her that my baby father. She said, oh my. Because she has stitched me, she has questioned me for me getting a take my mind off of the pain under the hand. She said, oh my. She said to me that, how much kids you have for me? I said, one, come and have Shanta alone. She said, you really going to go back to this man? I said, why? She said, Miss Dixon, if you were a slim lady, you wouldn't have the hand. I only forgive in life, but I don't forget. And the things that human being do me, it does build so. And when I'm ready to walk away and I leave, it's for good. I don't know what you guys are talking about. The lady said to me that, Miss Dixon, if you are a slim lady with no body fat, you have no hand. The whole of your so, drop down so. The whole of your so, drop down so. Oh. So you see when I leave Jakes, and all Jakes is talking about, oh, this and oh, that. Is I not looking at you? It's not you not looking at me because the true more of the story is, when we are leaving, when you leave a man, and you don't come to agreement to leave a man, and you just disappear. Wow, it have them puzzle. And I leave Jakes with a puzzle that he can't fix. So Jakes is the last thing I'm one maze so him can't come out of. Him still a wonder if me will come back to him. Him still a wonder if me will come back to him. Him still a wonder if him do the things. Him still a wonder a lot of things. Because I leave a boy in a maze. When I walk off from boy, I leave them in a maze. All the other day when I talk to Jakes, I beg Jakes buy my food and all of these things. And I say, watch here. And then he come on social media and have that bitch like, oh, we don't want you. I'm like, bitch, you don't know Rosie. It's I leave him, it's not him leave me. You know what I talk to him? I say, buy me a food now. Go and go buy the food. I say, watch out. Come and borrow all money. I say, Yeah. One of the night, them hear out the road. I don't know whether they attack and till we start to argue. And me get me get emotional. I want me get blood clot emotional and me start crying and I say, look, me as long as I say to myself, look where we are come from to where we reach now. We can left, but we can be friends. We there for 12 years, we have 2 kids together. They bring down upon the net necessary. You do what you do and it hurt okay. Me a search for friendship with between me. We can be good friends. We can sit down and talk and reason. I would just know say, yeah, I be mad and be fan of that. You can't get that from him. And that's why I was crying. Mr. Jakes to hug me up. That boy in October hug me up. Me don't know why me argue with you, All when him over here with Vanya and the whole of them and blame him and the whole of them. Mr. Jakes hug me up. Me don't know why me argue with you, I know you stay, I know you always, I know you're emotional. Then hear him now. I carry you go over. So yeah, me don't hear you. Mr. Jakes, here we are going to do for me, baby. Go on over. Me go over. Him say, no, you come over. I say, no. Jakes, me no food. How do when you come here, reach in here, you start, you come in here, you make pint of duty, you want go give me a cup of water. Till I make pint of duty, you reach from my blood clot big. Till I make pint of duty, you drop asleep. Till I make pint of duty every night, you want to come check me. Till me have pep talk with liquor. Till I make pint of duty, me a start. Fuck, I said, no, go over. When I go over, me a call you here. Me go over there and call Jakes, and Jakes start telling me about tour, about Sassy and Nessa and Playboy. I'm not going to come here come disclose that. Sassy and Nessa and Bay and Jakes talk to me to jump a seat. I'm here saying jump a seat, me hang up. I'm not going to disclose what men that talk about. I'm going to tell about people and they listen. I'm not going to come and disclose that. I don't have time for that. So all the way I talk about one and a one and come on, you know, the feeling angry. I know when you all do those things. Is I want to look with the girls, them not faze me. You been a fuck for me. Anything where you, any girl you walk with, Jakes, my reaction you want to see. Like when you got Panama, me no show. Like when you got Panama, like when you got St. Lucia, what there, me no look. Me stay with Kiki, me just play match, cause me no look. Me stay with the only reason why me throw the chair upon Ali because how that? Hold on. Yeah?
Merry Christmas, John. Love you, here.
What?
I said Merry Christmas, my love.
You what can me got quarters?
No, because you lit me in my face.
You what can me got quarters?
Because you lit me in my face.
Where's the Merry Christmas for?
You
take money, you're sick.
John.
Oh wait, you look to beg something. You what call on a session go sit down for lock me up?
John, me lock you up, that's my personal charge. But what you know, me press a charge, you know? We do not press no charge. Where I say we don't.
You what can go session for lock up me? I come tell me Merry Christmas.
We don't press a charge, John. After me now, I try to get trail color and I tell her say, yo, I want to bury that. Just make bagans a June. June, me don't hate you, June. I love you, June. And I just want bagans.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, mother.
Merry Christmas, my daughter.
I would have given you something for your Christmas, but I don't have any cash now. Merry Christmas.
I love you, yeah?
Love you too, baby. I always love you.
I don't like to say, oh, whosoever bash and them things.
Merry Christmas, my mother. Like love you.
So just take care of yourself.
Love you, baby.
Just take care of yourself, yeah?
Love you, babes.
Yeah, alright.
I'll give you something for later. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
I must always pray, my daughter?
Yes, my mother.
Alright. Sorry then.
Come give me a hug.
Don't even kill me, I'm going to get more people, yeah?
Alright, alright.
I say you first, my piece of it. Everybody say, Lavern, your whole of you them nice, the whole of them. But I show you my fat, the whole of you them nice. Up on Barbar. Are you Barbar come from me?
But that is unexpected, but just breathe a minute. That was unexpected, but you see, in life, one don't understand. I've spoken this already. I don't come on social media come say it now. But I've told my peers. I know people get into her head. I know her. She's my mom. You know, this was for me just feel, we just crumble to the earth. Yeah, that's what I just feel. No, I just know how those people getting at the people. People do all of these things. People in the head first. People, they just know. And then when they do these things, and they want to come around, what can you do? What must you do? Chat thanks. No, me I tell you no. How people get that? Why? I don't know. The me don't know. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel. Me I drink look Magnum. I don't know how to feel. I only can forgive, but I'll never forget. What for do? Where me I mute for? Me not mute. Me not mute. Where me I mute for? Them say load and look and say Magnum. Ah.